This is a shortcut we found. Otherwise you've got to go all the way down the end there, then turn right, and then come all the way back up, or you just go through here.
It's a little journey maze.
A little journey.
Like a little maze.
It's a little maze, yeah. And there's chickens. There you go, Dilsey. I wanted to get it on camera for you. Look how big they're getting. Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Back in Bali. You saw our last video, it started off a bit dark. We stayed in a bit bed today, a bit later. We didn't get up so early. But
no, 4:30's a one-off.
4:30's a one-off. So we ended up that last walk. So from Sanur, we walked all the way to Seminyak Beach. So from Sanur Beach to Seminyak Beach, 20.5 kilometres we did in total. Just over 3 hours. So that was a hell of a walk.
But we're not feeling too bad.
No, not too bad.
Morning,
I think we had an early night last night and we slept pretty heavy. So we won't be doing that again, I wouldn't have thought.
No, not for a long time.
No, not for a while. But today we're going to go because where we're staying is pretty much right on the border of Seminyak and Legian. So this is our first day. Actually on Tuesday we go to our second stay. So that'll be another video we'll do of our new villa. So we'll be basically right at the Seminyak-Legian border. And we walk quite often to go to Seminyak. So today we're just going to walk on that Seminyak-Legian road up and around and then into KAYU AYA, into Eat Street, and have a look in there to show you guys sort of what's going on there.
Maybe pop into some shops.
Yes. Let me show you a shortcut that we found the way to get through, because there's a shortcut through to Drupadi.
Don't tell everybody.
And there's a little pug. There's a little pug, so we'll see if she's there. Her name's Phoebe. She's cute. So yeah, stick around. I hope you enjoy the video. It's just going to be a bit more walking, a bit more showing you what's going on in Bali today.
It's a nice way to start on a Sunday, isn't it?
Beautiful Sunday. Morning.
Morning. Shopping.
Well, maybe later.
Okay.
Maybe.
Now
Maybe.
We're have the end of
I didn't say
one.
definitely later. Maybe later.
You're in trouble.
So this is Seminyak-Legian road. So if we go this way, we're going to end up in Seminyak, basically. And then that way, Legian and Kuta. So this is our constant walking path, because you can sort of see just up ahead all the red bricks. That's the rebuilt Bintang supermarket. And it's a good supermarket.
It's a great supermarket. We have found so many stuff there, and it's pretty well priced.
It's good prices, yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we spend most of our money and time at supermarkets for some reason.
Yes, especially if you'd seen our Japan videos, or if you're going to see our Japan videos, there's a few really awesome ones there too.
There's some amazing Japan food. Oh, thinking about that supermarket gives me a smile. But I guess you spend half your time thinking about food or making food or eating food. So
we do, anyway.
We do. That's our pleasure. But you get hammered a lot when you walk along here. So someone's always asking you to come in their shop or get a tattoo or bike.
Ride.
Yeah. That comes up all the time.
So you're going to get that. Yeah, you're going to get a lot of that. But being Sunday, we might be okay.
Might be okay.
And we've got the camera. So
they might not like that. No, you still like it. Yep.
No.
See, as I said, this place is awesome for burgers and wraps. And it's cheap as chips. Like $5 for a burger and about $5 for a wrap. Chicken wraps are good.
So good. And it's very good quality ingredients.
Yeah, really
so
nice.
Definitely recommend that.
I think I'll come back and I'll do a separate video about Bintang. There's a lot of people want to know what it's about. So.
And you can also go upstairs as well. There's a two-story.
It's two-story. But yeah, I can go back and do a separate video about that and that area.
Yeah.
Because that's such a good facility and we use it so much and everyone seems to use it a lot.
We use it like nearly every day.
We'll be every day. But, you've got to eat, right? And you might as well cook your own food because it's cheap. I mean, it's cheap to buy food out, but it's actually pretty cheap to eat here.
Because of the amount of time we're travelling, it's a little bit different to go out and have a meal every day. It's too much for us.
Yeah.
When we like smaller meals as well.
That's true. Eating out is a wonderful luxury, but sometimes you just want to eat at home.
It's
small
too much.
meals. Yeah.
Doing it every day for a whole year.
Oh yeah, it's too much. We'd be the size of houses. You always got to hold hands when you cross the road. So that's Jalan Kampung Kanduk, I think it is. If you go, I'm pretty sure that's it, I probably got that wrong. If you go all the way down there to the end, you end up in Gado Gado restaurant on the beach.
That's cool.
But across the back of there's Drupadi Jalan Tripadi, which runs all the way up to KAYU AYA. So it sort of snakes around, does a big bend, and then comes up to the end here. So if you keep walking this way, it just eventually bends around, and then you get to KAYU AYA, turn left, or go that way, and you can sort of snake around and walk straight into it, turn right, left again. But over the back here, there's little gangs that run all the way, random little gangs, and you can shortcut your way right across. So we're going to do that little shortcut.
There is so many little shortcuts.
There's shortcuts
all
everywhere.
over the place, really. You just got to look at the map and find your way.
And,
Instead, it's a maze.
and if you know me, I love a shortcut. Scotty Bro knows I love a shortcut. Everywhere in Perth, 5 minutes away. So there's shortcuts here. So AB found one, a real good one actually. So we're going to take that shortcut, which is just up ahead near Marde's Warreen, which is also a very good restaurant and cheap.
Really, really good. We like that. Yeah.
So AB's having a look in here. Everything's 30% off. But you got to ask yourself, 30% off what? Exactly. I'm going to have a look at this shop. So these shops are like everywhere. They're all the way up the street, and they're always trying to get you to come in and have a look. Those are the ones that sell all the fake glasses and the fake shirts and stuff. So I'm going to have a little look inside. Hello.
There you go.
Good, brother. There's thongs and slip-ons and all your aftershaves. Selamat pagi. You pay about maybe 150 for these, about 15 bucks. They'll ask you for 45 bucks, but you pay about 15 bucks for them. So there are plenty of these shops. If you see something you like there and you can't negotiate a good price, just keep walking away. They'll give you a lower and lower price, then go to the next shop and then offer them the lower than the price you just got, and then you can see where the actual price ends up.
There is actually so many, so yeah. Don't feel uncomfortable just offering a fair price, I think.
Yeah, I was saying about 150 for those jerseys, really.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with a fair price, no.
This is the start of our little shortcut. So there's an Indian restaurant just up here. So the alley just smells like Indian food.
So good.
And I think in the back here there's a big soccer. Everyone put the camera over so we can have a look. Chasing after AB, trying to sell her something.
And that's how you do it.
They always say, I'm not selling. AB always says, I'm not buying. And that's the end of the conversation.
You get a little bit over it after a while.
Yeah.
I know everyone's trying to make a living, but it gets a bit much when you've got so many.
Yeah. If you go
going for a walk.
If you went for an hour walk, you get it 40 times, I reckon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it gets a little
It gets
bit
a bit much.
draining after a while.
Yeah.
A little bit.
A little bit of cloud cover makes it just that little bit more pleasant.
So much different.
Well, here we are, Tripadi.
Yes.
So if you go that way, you eventually end up sort of gado on the beach.
Yeah.
And you head this way, you end up on East Street.
We're going this
Let's go this way. Let's see how many times we get asked if we want to buy.
I think it won't be so bad this one.
It is early.
Yeah. And Sunday.
And Sunday.
This is probably one of our first streets that we came when we stayed in Seminyak.
It is. We've stayed over here a couple of times.
Yeah.
Almost Sapna.
Almost Sapna.
Nie, nie rozumiem. See, speaking a little bit of Polish always helps.
I think I'm Russian, I guess, half the time.
Yeah. A lot of Russians here.
Yeah.
Not so much here, but further up there's a lot of Russians. When we went to the immigration centre, everyone was Russian, I think.
Yeah, I think they're in Chengdu.
In Chengdu, I think that's where a lot of people stay there, in Ubud.
Okay.
So
So another one of the shortcuts. But we'll check back in because Phoebe the pug is just up here, so hopefully she's there. We'll check back in when we get there.
Film that again.
Okay.
So this is where Phoebe's owner is here, and they own the spa as well. She owns the spa. I think the husband runs this and the wife runs that, but she's not here today. So no Phoebe, unfortunately. We have to come back.
Yeah, that's okay.
Crossover.
Hold hands.
You know the rules.
Everyone's gonna laugh at this.
No, they're not going to laugh at this. This is the worst intersection in Seminyak. It's crazy intersection. And this is a quiet time.
I'm just gonna quickly pop
You're
in
going to have a look in here? All
You
right.
can do a little tour.
Yeah. So this is the start of KAYU AYA. So yeah, Japati's this way. This way you sort of end up in Karabakan up that way, and Sunset Road's just over there. And the back end of Seminyak Legian Road's over there. And then we're going to walk out this way where all the shops and restaurants and bars are. It starts at corner houses. They actually do a really, really good coffee. So if you're here and you want a good coffee, these guys are actually pretty awesome with that.
That there is Red Carpet Champagne Bar, which we've never been to.
No, it's apparently really busy.
Really busy. La Favela is over there. But the roof there, if you just see that roof right there, that's our next bidder. That's how close we are to the action, baby.
Very excited.
Right in the middle of town. But this is Coco Supermarket. So I think it's a 24-hour supermarket. And yeah, this is a sort of a few little shops and bits of pieces up there. But it's got sort of restaurant styles that goes down this way.
Yes, and actually if you want a really, really cold beer, the coldest beer we've had in Bali,
Yeah, the
you
goat.
want to do the goat. Amazing cold beer.
It was the coldest bintang I reckon I've ever had.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm going to take Mr. Michael there for one.
Just one.
Just one, maybe more than one. So another one of these shops selling the same stuff.
Yeah, there's heaps of them.
Halo, boss.
Yes.
How are you?
Selamat pagi.
Pagi, boss. Stop, boss.
Oh, another one with the same stuff. So you're never going to miss out.
Oh, definitely not.
No. So if that was in Perth, I'd have cones here, I'd have traffic management set up in place. Oh. How'd you go?
Very nice shop.
Very nice shop.
Let's see coffee.
Legian. I was just watching these guys doing the roofing over there. Safety third, baby. Safety third.
So we're almost, well, over halfway, but we're just going to go down to Seminyak Square. We're going to show you around down there. But I'm just going to let the camera run just for a little bit and not talk so much, and you can have a bit of a look at what we're looking at, eh? One thing I'm going to say though, just lastly, because this is like our happy place. So AB and I always sit in these two seats just there, like a couple of crows watching the world go by.
We love it.
It's our favourite spot.
It's our dinner and like
Dinner and a
people
shake.
watching.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
And the food there is amazing. That is little ring ding parcels.
Oh,
They're good. They do a lovely
Yeah.
skewer set
oh, we love it. We get the same thing every time.
every time. All right, I'm not going to talk anymore. It's got to film. favourite shoe. This is Seminyak Square here, and the Seminyak village over there says H&M bits and pieces. If you keep going around this way, you'll eventually end up at Coup d'Etat, and eventually get to like Sea Circus, and then back up to Petit Tenget over that way, and then you get to Potato Heads, Beach Club, and W Resort, and all that sort of stuff. No, this is pretty much as far as we go. There's a little market in here which has got plenty of good stuff that AB likes.
Yeah, I do really like it. You can definitely negotiate, and everyone's really, really lovely.
Yeah.
You can get dresses, shorts, skirts, pretty much anything that you're after, really. And they're all really, really friendly, and it's just really safe. So I would recommend that.
And cheap prices as well, yeah.
I bought heaps of stuff. Watch out, baby. Yeah. So I'm gonna have a look in there.
And there's a Watson's Pharmacy over there if you need a good pharmacy.
Yes, there's only a few Watsons.
There's only a few Watsons around here, but yeah, this is the market here. So more women's stuff than men's stuff.
Just mainly.
Yeah. Is that Watson's over there? Good stuff.
Nice.
Oh, thank you for watching. That's our little couple of times a week walk, 3 times a week maybe.
We
do that
love
one?
watching.
Yeah.
Walking up here, it's quite nice.
Yeah. And well, we only can do it for a couple more days because on Tuesday we moved from that place to the new place which we showed you the roof of. So it'll be a bit of a shorter walk. We have to find a longer path to go around.
I'm sure we can.
No 20.5 kilometres though.
Yeah, that was not a good idea.
Not a good idea. Anyway, we're going to see you in the next video. So bye.
Bye.